A common thing that we need to do when we're querying data is create joins. The challenge is sometimes we don't know exactly what joins we need ahead of time, and trying to figure those out with SQL can be a little bit time consuming. Further, field names can change, and so we don't always want to pre-create all of our joins ahead of time. Zing Data's new capabilities called MagicModel build these joins on the fly using the schema and column attributes of our data set. Let's look at how that works. This can save you a lot of time in having to do data modeling simply by relying on Zing's use of LLMs. We're going to go to getzingdata.com, and then we're going to hit login. In this case, I've already got a data set configured that is Dell Store sales information. I'm going to go over to my Dell Store, and I can see that actually I've already got a number of joins already set up. In this case, though, what I'm actually going to do is delete all of these. And the reason I'm going to do that is so that you can kind of see how Zing is figuring out all the joins from scratch. Now, an important thing to note is I can, of course, pre-create joins in Zing if I'd like. And the way I would do that is by going and hitting Add New Join and dragging, let's say, categories to my orders table or my suppliers table on the join keys that I'd like. So I could say that, let's say I wanted to join products to categories using category as the join key with a, let's say, a right join on products. And maybe I want to join orders to products. And to do that, I'm going to need to get information from my order lines table. So I'll join order ID, and I'll use product ID to join order lines to products. Now, you'll notice that I have to kind of think through this ahead of time, and maybe I haven't pulled in customer history or other things that I might want here. I could save this and make this available in Zing just by giving it a join name here. But I'm going to do something different. I'm actually going to go into Zing and have it figure out all these relationships on the fly. To do that, I just go to getzingdata.com and then click the Zing app. I'm going to go click in this Dell Store source, and I'm going to ask a question using natural language. So I'm going to say total orders by category name. And then I'm going to hit ask. And this is where Zing uses leading large language models plus some proprietary modeling of the attributes of the schema and fields in order to determine what join structure is appropriate. Of course, you can easily edit this if it doesn't give you what you want. Let's see what it gave us. In this case, we wanted the count of orders on the y-axis, and we wanted to see that group by category name on the x-axis. You'll see what Zing did for us was a 1, 2, 3, 4-way join on the fly to connect order ID, which exists canonically in the orders table, with the details of each order using product ID to join it to the products table, and then join the product information to the categories table using category to allow us to see category name along the x-axis. So this is what Zing's MagicModel capability lets you do. And of course, you can join more fields you'd like. You can add calculated fields if you'd like. You can choose to visualize this in any other way if you'd like. But it makes it really easy to get up and running in just a couple minutes, even if you need to do complex joins to answer a question. Thanks. You can try this for free at getzingdata.com.